Hello, it's great. Pleasure to meet you, Ifra.
Hi Mohit, how are you?
I'm good. What about you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm doing good too.
Mhm.
So let me just introduce you to two of our members who are on board today.
Uh-huh.
Fakiha, our head of sales, and Momal is our head of marketing.
Nice to meet you both, Fakia and Mohammed.
Hello, Mohit.
So, what's been up, Ifra? How's InsaneArts.com going? It made huge leaps in a very short span of time. So, how's your company doing now? And what about your rival, ArtAuctions.uk? I remember back then, you guys were having a very tough competition.
Yeah, exactly. We left them far behind, but suddenly our sales started to decline massively.
Yes,
Suddenly,
we had it. Yes, we have had a steep fall in sales in the past 4 months, and almost zero international sales.
mhm,
And the local ones have declined too.
right, right. Basically, Google का एल्गो रोल आउट हुआ था नया वाला, बट आप की जो प्रॉब्लम है ये तो 4 मंथ से चल रही है, तो आई डोंट थिंक कि इसका गूगल से कोई ताल्लुक है.
But all our relevant keywords have maintained their place, which is like first to three position. Like in art auction ka jo hai, it sits on 7 to 8, but they are making more sales than us.
हाँ.
In fact, cancellation rates have increased as well.
Exactly. We even increased our marketing budget and paid promotion. But usse sirf ye hua कि it increased our traffic, but the
Right.
website it had no impact on the sales.
Exactly. So Mohit, आपको क्या लगता है? Like, what could the reason be like behind this?
I'm sure there must be like one key problem that is affecting your sales. Ifra, what are the industry CTA and CTR rates?
The industry CTR is at 5% and CTA is 3%.
Hmm. And what are your numbers?
हमारा जो CTR है, it has fallen to 1.1% and CTA is standing at 0.02%.
Oh my God, that is scary, huh? So you need to fix this all, or you will be out of business in like hardly 2 months maximum.
Exactly. Yeah, exactly. You're right. And I just want to get it fixed before we're doomed.
Yeah. So you have made a big mistake कि आपने 4 महीने इसको कोई रेमेडी नहीं करी इसकी. So now you're not only losing your target or audience, but आप इंडस्ट्री से भी डिसअपियर हो रहे हो. और I think you need to take corrective steps as soon as possible, and by as soon as possible I mean right now, because uh, ये बहुत जल्दी फिक्स करना पड़ेगा हमें, वरना तो सारा कुछ आप लोगों का जितना भी आ, आप लोगों ने बिल्डअप किया था वो सब कुछ जाया होगा. सो फाकिया, कैन यू ईमेल मी द 6 months सेल रिकॉर्ड, तो मैं जरा उससे कुछ एनालाइज करके देखता हूँ.
Yes, yes, I'm sending you. Wait a minute. There you go. It's sent.
Okay, let me see. um, Okay. Okay, so the highest chunk of sales of paintings was coming from the UK and the US contributing the most, and Australia had high but inconsistent sales. Your sales graph shows me that there was not a gradual fall in the international sales, but right after August 2nd, everything went downhill. मतलब कुछ एक चीज ऐसी हुई है जो August 2nd के बाद से आपका बिल्कुल स्टीप फॉल आया है. उससे पहले मतलब एक होता है कि ग्रेजुअली डिक्रीज हो रही है, आपका स्टीप फॉल है, तो देयर मस्ट बी लाइक वन थिंग दैट हैज अफेक्टेड योर सेल्स.
Yeah, we even started spending on the PPC और हमने social media पे भी उसके बाद बहुत सारा investment की, but it was as I mentioned to you कि कोई avail नहीं हुआ because it had no impact on the massive impact on the sales.
Right, right, right. Okay, let me have a look at the website itself. लेट मी सी के इस पे कुछ एरर्स वगैरह तो नहीं आ रहा है ऐसा एविडेंट जो आप लोगों को नजर ना आ रहा हूँ. लेट मी चेक.
Yeah, sure. Go
Okay.
ahead.
अच्छा फिर यहाँ से जब मैं प्रोसीड कर रहा हूँ परचेज मेक करने के लिए, so the contact and payment form has hanged thrice. So you do understand that you're selling paintings worth of thousands of dollars, and people just can't trust your website if you have such basic errors. So my developer will fix this page as it is the point of payment, and people wouldn't want to risk their credit card details on a site that looks like this. तो ये आप लोगों का बहुत ही क्रेडिबल पेज होना चाहिए. इसमें कोई किसी भी किस्म का आई थिंक एरर आना नहीं चाहिए. सो दिस इज वन प्रॉब्लम दैट आई हैव आइडेंटिफाइड. और आपकी जो लोकल सेल्स हैं वो फिर भी कंपैरेटिवली स्टेबल हैं, क्योंकि लोग कैश ऑन डिलीवरी यहाँ पे पाकिस्तान में तो अवेल कर लेते हैं, तो दे आर नॉट अफ्रेड ऑफ एंटरिंग द क्रेडिट कार्ड नंबर्स. बट लोकल भी आपकी गिरी हैं, बट दे आर देयर compared to international.
Yeah, I got your point. I'm going to recheck it again.
Yeah.
So, आपको क्या लग रहा है? Is that the only problem that you notice on our website?
फिलहाल वक्त तो ये नजर आया, but I must also check the security protocols of your website. Another problem could be that maybe your website's SSL certification has expired, या जो के पेमेंट्स को सिक्योर करने के लिए यूज की जाती है, या वेबसाइट आपकी हो सकता है HTTP पे चल रही है इंस्टेड ऑफ HTTPS पे चलने की जगह पे. तो ये भी मैं इस वक्त चेक करके बता देता हूँ वेबसाइट पे.
I really hope that's not the case, Visar.
I am very much confident that that must be the case. Okay, so ठीक. Okay, आपके सिक्योरिटी प्रोटोकॉल्स एक्सपायर हुए हैं. SSL सर्टिफिकेट जो है आपकी एक्सपायर हो चुकी है. तो यानी कि किसी के पास माइन्यूट सा भी अगर किसी भी किस्म का एंटी मैलवेयर या एंटी वायरस डला हुआ है, तो वो आपकी वेबसाइट को नॉट सेव करके ब्राउजर पे शो कर रहा है. तो ये सबसे बड़ा एक प्रॉब्लम है कि आपकी वेबसाइट को अगर कोई एक्सेस करने जा रहा है तो उसको वो वेबसाइट तो स्कैम लगेगी. सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम तो ये है. तो सिक्योरिटी प्रोटोकॉल्स हम लोगों को इसके जो एक्सपायर्ड है उनको रिन्यू कराना पड़ेगा. मोमल आप जो है वो जरा सा चेक करें कि रिव्यूज वगैरह क्या आपकी वेबसाइट के बारे में है.
Alright, just wait.
मैं इतनी देर में जरा सिक्योरिटी प्रोटोकॉल्स को और डीपली चेक आउट करता हूँ.
Okay, so yeah, these are the reviews. I think this site got hacked. It shows a security error every time I try to visit it. Looks like a scam website selling fake art pieces.
Oh my god.
Used to be my favorite website for shopping, for painting. However, the payment section is shaky, so I stopped purchasing. This website has no security protocol, probably a scam. Please stay safe. Oh my god, I think you are right. Somebody just pointed out our security protocols in the review section.
या सो देखें, एक तो ये सिक्योरिटी वाली बात भी आ गई और पेमेंट सेक्शन की बात भी लोग कर रहे हैं. तो अब आप लोगों का जो है सिर्फ बिजनेस नहीं जा रहा, बिजनेस का नाम भी खराब हो रहा है. सो आपकी जो SSL सर्टिफिकेशन थी वो अगस्त 2 को ही एक्सपायर हुई है और उसी डेट से आप लोगों की सेल्स जाना शुरू हुई है.
But we already got a 2-year subscription.
मोमल सॉरी इफ्रा, मैंने चेक किया तो ये है आप लोगों का 1 year सब्सक्रिप्शन. तो आई थिंक जिससे आप लोगों ने अपना टेक्निकल काम करवाया था, सो मे बी दे वर नॉट ऑनेस्ट और मे बी दे मेड अ मिस्टेक. सो इट्स अ 1 year subscription which ended on 2nd August.
We can't take how to fix it. We have $1 million paintings in the stocks right now. Please let us know how can we fix it.
Yes, Mohit, we really want to fix it right now.
Ifra, the problem is, I do understand the gravity of your problem, but all my team is really busy with the Coca-Cola campaign, and I'm sure you have an idea कि Coca-Cola कितना बड़ा client है. So we don't really have any person who would be able to do it really quickly. So that's the problem.
But you really got to do something, Mohit. We are in a very bad situation. And I realize that if we don't get it fixed, our business will not survive. Plus, we have already, we will have an additional loss of $1 million, which is huge amount. I really want
Yes,
you
I
to help
do
us out.
understand your point. 1 million in stock and the website going down itself is not a good direction. I do have very capable developers, but they can come on this Monday earliest.
But that is 6 days, Mohit, and we want it solved now, like today, or we are gone. You need to understand it, please.
I do understand that, Momal. Let me think. Okay, so what we can do is that I'll ask my technical developers to come to your company after the working hours, and they will further check out the issues with the site, perform all the debugging activities. आपका एक 3 साल का SSL सर्टिफिकेशन हम लोग करा देते हैं ताकि इस तरह से कुछ वापस इशू ना आए. सेकेंडली ये है कि पेमेंट फॉर्म भी जब हम फिक्स करवा रहे हैं तो आप लोगों के पास इस वक्त सिर्फ क्रेडिट कार्ड का ऑप्शन है, एंड पीपल आर नाउ मूविंग टुवर्ड्स एनोनिमस करेंसी, स्पेशली जब ये थाउजेंड्स ऑफ डॉलर्स की परचेजिंग कर रहे हैं तो दे डोंट वांट टू बी ट्रेस्ड. सो आप बिटकॉइन से पेमेंट और लाइटकॉइन से पेमेंट और इस तरह के जितने भी डिजिटल करेंसीज हैं इनको भी इंटीग्रेट करवा सकती हैं अपनी वेबसाइट पे. तो माय गाइस विल बी देयर आफ्टर वर्किंग आवर्स, तो वो काम करके देंगे आपको.
I think
फिर मैं
that's a
आपको
great
ले कर
idea.
सकता हूँ.
Yeah, I think that's a great idea, and thanks for saving the day. But before that, I would like to ask how much would the alternate payment option cost?
Each alternative option to be integrated would cost you around $2,000.
$2,000? Isn't that too expensive?
इफ्रा, मैंने तो सिर्फ आपसे जो अथॉरिटीज और रजिस्ट्रेशन की प्राइस है वो बताई है. मैंने आपको इनको इंटीग्रेट करने के लिए मैं चार्ज ही नहीं कर रहा हूँ.
Yeah, I think ये addition है most popular payment method की, that will do us good.
Yeah, I think so too. What are your views, Fakia?
Yes, I agree.
Because in my humble opinion, adding anonymous payment options on your site will quadruple your sales, and people want to stay anonymous, especially with such expensive purchases. So I would highly recommend कि आप ये वाले भी क्या कहते हैं options डाल दें.
All right, so let's just do this. So Mohit, I want all the popular payment options on my site, right?
Yeah, basically देखें there's a sea of anonymous options, but जो most popular 4 हैं, I think हम लोग simple रखते हैं. वो 4 मैं integrate करवा दूंगा, तो आपकी वेबसाइट पे anonymous payment का option भी आ जाएगा. This will really boost your sales.
That will be the best. That will be the best.
Great. So my tech guys will be at your office in the evening. Office hours के बाद ही वो आएंगे, so please just accommodate them, and first of all they will fix their critical issues and then add on the payment options. No.
So exactly how much are you going to charge us for all this?
Ifra, this will cost you around 375,000 rupees, and that is because of our old terms.
But still, that's too expensive.
Don't you think losing $1 million and your business uh, is more expensive than just 300,000 rupees? Also, I'm sending you the best individuals for the work. Today, they will be there today on urgent basis, which is against our company policy. But आपको शायद पता भी होगा कि हम लोग 3 दिन का बफर टाइम मांगते हैं. But after work hours, मेरे जो employees हैं वो आएंगे and they will fix the issue. So you have to understand that I'm giving you a very good deal and saving 1 million for you and your business for you as well.
All right. Looking at the critical aspects of it, it sounds like a good deal. So I just hope that it solves all our problems.
Yeah. You in the morning you will visit a different site with no problems at all. In fact, आपकी
Yeah,
sales वापस आना शुरू हो जाएंगी. You just have to
I
pump
hope
up
so.
on the
Yeah, I
marketing.
hope.
Yeah.
All right. So let's see what happens the next morning. I hope it gets fine.
Yeah,
So
it will
thank you
be
so much for your
definitely.
time, Mohit. Yeah,
Yeah, it's
thank you
been a
so much for
pleasure.
that.
It's been a pleasure. Okay. Ifra, if you could excuse me now, I have to pick my son from the school, so I have to go. It was
Yeah,
nice
sure.
meeting
Thank
you
you so much
guys,
for your
and
time.
the problem will be solved inshallah by tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning, you'll
All right,
see
perfect.
a new website without any flaws.
Yeah, perfect, inshallah.
Okay,
All
so
right, so thank you so much. Allah
no
Hafiz.
problem
Take
at all.
care.
No problem at all. So मैं coordinate आपको करवा दूंगा. They will call you up around 7 o'clock in the evening. Okay?
Sure,
Okay.
sure,
Allah
perfect.
Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Good to meet you all.
Hafiz.